my name is Chris Ice here with Bar No Recipes. Before we get started, I would recommend that you guys go down below and like and subscribe to my videos. I need tons of subscribers. Today on deck for you, we got a cast iron bacon crunch bowl. It's made with bacon, corn, potatoes, chicken, and we're going to put on top of it a lot of cheese and some brown gravy. So let me stop talking, let's get started on this recipe. Okay, we're going to start out with boiling potatoes. I prefer the instant potatoes just to make an easier dish to make on a weeknight or whatever. But my wife prefers homemade mashed potatoes, and believe me, it's probably worth it. It tastes tons better. Okay, we went ahead and took the potatoes out of the water, drained the water, and put them back in there. Now we're going to go ahead and mash them up. We're going to add sour cream to our potatoes. This is the way we do it. You can do them however you guys do it. Really, in the end, all we're looking for is mashed potatoes. We add some butter as well. And then we get to mashing. Oh, we're going to add a little garlic powder as well. And we're also going to add a little bit of onion powder. Okay, this is our final product after we got done mashing it, and it's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and put this on a medium-low heat and go ahead and add our bacon into there. And start off by frying up some bacon. Actually, we're going to go a little higher than that, probably medium. I'll get back to you guys once this gets a little further down the road. Gotta love the smell of that bacon cooking, man. You go ahead and take your bacon out of your bowl now, out of your cast iron, and just put it in a bowl, reserve it for later. Okay, I use an air fryer to do the chicken. I've already preheated it at 400 for 3 to 4 minutes. And I'm using this HEB popcorn chicken. And get it all in there and try to get it all evenly on one layer if you can. And then I give it a quick spray with some oil. And then we're going to put it in here at 375 or 380 for 8 minutes. And we're going to do a shake as well. It'll beep halfway through and we'll just shake the basket. Okay, we've gone through the shake process now. It's about halfway through, so we're going to open it up, give it a little shake around. And then I normally hit it again with a little bit of spray. Well, and then you put it back in and let it continue cooking for the remainder of the time. Okay, we're going to make the gravy now. We just emptied the gravy back into it. Into 2 cups of water. We're using 2 cups of gravy. I'm just going to pour it in there and heat that up. Okay, I need to remind you, these are my wife's famous homemade potatoes. And they're the freaking bomb today. They taste unbelievably good. So we're going to go ahead and spread that out on here. And you can just put the corn out on, spread the corn all over the mashed potatoes. corn. We use cold corn. You don't have to cook it first. You're going to cook in the oven. Once the corn is laid out, it's time to go ahead and put the chicken on here. Okay, once you get the chicken on here, it's time to put your bacon on here. You just kind of sprinkle that all over it a little bit. Next, you're going to add your cheese. And sprinkle cheese all around this. This is one delicious meal, man, I tell you. Kind of a redneck meal, kind of quick and easy though, and get out and work. Once you have the cheese all spread out, really nice, we're going to go ahead and transfer this to the oven. Let the cheese down a little bit. And that should take about 5-10 minutes, something like that. We're just going to watch it. We're going to look at it. It looks like it's probably melted enough, so we're going to go ahead and take it out. Okay, so we're just going to pour some brown gravy over this. And we're going to reserve some of this gravy to put over our individual plates once we have it. And then we're going to put some green onions on here. Man, this smells delicious too. I can't wait to try this stuff. It's going to be amazing. It's just a cheap weeknight meal. Okay, so our next step, we'll have to get to plate it up and we'll give you a taste test. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cut it up and serve it up. Cut it up however you like. There we go. Add a little bit more green onions to that. Probably a little more gravy as well. Okay, I might add a little more green onions because I really like green onions. And we'll go ahead and give it a taste test for you guys. Okay, there we go. That is so delicious. Probably wouldn't hurt to put a little more brown gravy on here, but it is fantastic. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos if you want to see more.